In a bustling diner in downtown Chicago, a young business graduate stands at the counter, watching the owner struggle with his margins. Aspirant: $1 extra per serving, 20 servings a day. That's an extra $600 a month in your pocket. You don't see it yet, do you? Look, if I can explain the math and you actually get it, will you give me a job? Owner: and if I don't, why do you think my small bowls fly off the shelf anyway? It's because my recipe is the best in the city, right? Aspirant: honestly, no. It's because they're cheap. You need to raise the price of your small bowl to $3. Owner: why would I do that? I'll lose customers. Aspirant: think about it. A customer already willing to pay $2 for a small bowl can easily justify paying $3. An extra dollar isn't going to break their bank for a quick lunch. Just like how this small shift changes the game, hitting that subscribe button right now ensures you never miss these hidden wealth-building strategies. Owner: but at $3, nobody is going to want the $6 large bowl. Aspirant: exactly. You've got the right idea, but the wrong conclusion. Don't sell the large bowl for $6 anymore. Sell it for only $4. Owner: wait, I'd be losing money on the big one. Aspirant: no, you're not. You're earning that extra dollar on the small bowl and on the large bowl. You're still making the same margin you were comfortable with before. But here's the psychology. When a customer is already prepared to pay $3 for a small, and they see the large is only $1 more, they'll feel like they're getting a massive deal. You shift your volume to the bigger portions and keep that extra profit on every single transaction. Owner: that's actually brilliant. Aspirant: that's business. If you want to keep mastering the art of the deal, make sure to subscribe and join our community for the next breakdown.